Hello and welcome to DigiTrybe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create Instagram highlight cover using Canva. How to create Instagram highlight cover using Canva. Now you may want to ask, why do you need Instagram highlight cover? Instagram is a very big social media platform that lots of individuals, business owners, and even private companies are using to generate tons and tons of sales for themselves. Now, if you know how to create a good Instagram highlight cover for your business, it will make your business stand out. For instance, let's look at this account. This is one account on Instagram, Sweet Cravings Desserts. Now, if you come here, you will see this portion. This is their Instagram highlight covers. These are all their highlight covers. Now, looking at this, it makes the account look more professional. If you click on this donut, it will open up what is inside the donut cover for you. And so if you also click on the rest of them, if you also look at this account, you will see there are highlight covers on this account. All professional Instagram accounts tend to use highlight cover to make their account more appealing and to also organize some details about their product and services. For instance, let's go back to this. If you click, let's say, okay, this birthday cakes. If you click birthday cakes, you will see the different cakes that you can order from them for your birthday. That is why this cover is saying birthday cakes. So they are using to organize different portions of their services in a particular place. So that is about Instagram highlight cover. That is number one place. The second place I want to show you, but before I show you the second place about the reason why you need Instagram highlight cover, if you are new to my channel, this is DigiTrybe, a digital space for online entrepreneurs. If you are new to this place, I will appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel. This is our channel. This is my channel here. If you can subscribe to my channel, just hit the subscription button, turn on your notification bell icon. Also give me a thumbs up in this video and leave a valuable comment in the comment section if you find the video very resourceful. But I believe you're going to gain lots of valuable insights in this video. And also do not forget to share the video with your friends. So in DigiTrybe, what we do, we learn, we create, and we earn. You come to DigiTrybe, you come here to learn, go out there, create your own, and start making money for yourself. So with that said, the second place I want to show you is Fiverr. If you come to Fiverr and type Instagram highlight covers, this is it here. If you type Instagram highlight covers, it's going to show you over 2,000 services available on these highlight covers alone. People are offering this as what? Service. This person is offering that $5 and he has sold over 1,000. This person is offering at 180 and he has sold 3. This person is offering at $20, sold 35. You see how people are making money just by offering Instagram highlight cover on Fiverr. Now, if you don't know what Fiverr is a digital marketplace for digital products where freelancers go to provide services. If you are new to Fiverr and new to online businesses, I talked about how to create a Fiverr account. I will drop the video. You might also see the link somewhere here, but I will drop it in the description box below. You can watch that video on setting up your account on Fiverr and getting started on Fiverr. Also, I talked about how to get low competition gigs, and one of the gigs I talked about in that another video is highlight covers of Instagram. So with that said, you now see the reason why learning this as a skill is very important. You can offer this here on Fiverr. You can also offer it to people around you, create Instagram highlight cover for their businesses and make money from them. So with that said, let's go back to Canva. I'm going to show you how to create Instagram highlight cover now on using your Canva. Now when you come to Canva, ensure you sign up. This is on my account on Canva. Just ensure you sign up on Canva so that you have your account. Now when you sign up on Canva, if you come to templates here, you will see Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook, blah, and the rest of them. Now Instagram stories and Instagram highlight covers, they are the same specification, so you can use the same designs for them. So if you don't want to go through that route, you can also come here and type Instagram highlight cover. Now you see, like I said, Instagram story highlight cover or Instagram story highlight covers free is the same. So just hit this one. Now the reason why you use Canva to create it is because Canva will give you pre-made templates. Everything is already made for you. All you just need to do is to edit. All you need to do is to do what? Edit them. So these are all the highlight cover that you have on Canva. Now depending on your niche, depending on what you are covering, you will now choose. If you're on weight loss, you know you're going to choose exercise, you know you're going to choose something like this. So depending on what you are covering. So now if you are choosing, let's say before you choose, we are now going to filter to remove the paid ones because our account is not a paid account, it's not a pro account. So let's come down, just click here, drag it down, come down to this place and choose free, so that it will filter out all the pro accounts for you and leave it on free. Now when you have it, you now see you have over 340 templates. If you know what you want to design already, you can go with create blank. But if you don't know what to design, just choose from all of this. Now when you click on this, it's showing you this one will give you 7 different templates. Can you see it? Let's look at this one. This one will give you 17 different templates. This one will give you 16 different templates. So depending on what you are into, so let's just look and choose one. Let's just look and choose one. Okay, let's say we are going with this one that has icons. There are several there are 2 major Instagram highlight covers you can create: the ones with icons and the ones with lettering. So let's open this one with icons in a different tab. Now let's look at this one with lettering. We are also going to open this one in a different tab. So we are going to work with the two excuse me, we are going to work on the two together so that we'll see the difference. This is another one with icon. You can see the icon. So depending on what you are doing, if the icon you're looking for is not here but you like this design, you like the way this is appearing, and let's say you have the icons here, you can open this in a separate tab, simply copy the icons here and paste it here, and you have, okay, let's just do a quick one so that you understand what I'm saying. So I open this in a separate tab. So while it's loading, let's look at the ones we have already opened. I believe they should have loaded by now if network is okay. Okay, so this one is open. I'm just going to increase this a bit. So if you like this, you can leave it, but if you don't like the way this is, you can still come here and then change the style. Choose the one you want to work with. You just click here or click on see all. It will show you everything here. You just change the style. But if you like this, now you can now change what is written on it. So this is saying about us. If you have about us page of your Instagram highlight cover, you can leave it. If you have, maybe you're dealing on fashion, this is new arrival. If you have new arrival, you can leave it. Now social sale, special sales, you can leave that if you want to deal with special sale. Giveaway, instead of giveaway, you can come here and say want to say reviews. You can just change it to reviews, or you put it so that you have it in the 2 places: products, reviews. So now you can see what I just did. I just changed that. Now this is what shop now. So you can just change all of this, everything here. You can change it. Now if you don't like the color, all you can do is click on the background. When you click on the background, you come here, you see here that is showing this box here. You just click on it and then you change the color. So you change the color. You can just play around with the color. If you have your own color theme, you can go with your color theme, and then when you are done with changing the color, you can now save it, but I'll show you how to do that in a jiffy. But let me go to the next one. Now this is the one I was talking about. So let's say you like the the icons here, but you don't like this, and not this. You like this, the way this lighting, this radiant is coming out from here, and the way it's coming out from here, you like it, but you don't like what is inside here. It's not what you're dealing with. All you can do is simply come to this place. Let's say this is the icon you want to use. Okay, this heart, you click on it, control C to copy it. You come back to this place. This is the one you're working with. Make it bold a bit. No, it's too big. Then you control V. Let's see, did it paste? Okay, yeah. So now control C to copy, control V to paste. You just come here and paste it, but you now remove this and then put this here. So you can see how I just did it. I just changed that. Then you can change the color of this if you don't want to, just so that it will be bright a bit. Let's say I want to change this to milk color and change this to this. No, it's too white. So you can see what I'm doing. Just play around with it. Now you've seen how you can now change your highlights. So this is how you create your Instagram highlight cover on Canva. So now this is for word. If you want to go with the words, now this is for icons. So you see how I changed the icons, and you see how I changed the background. So that is how you create your Instagram highlight cover using Canva. So if you don't like this background, you know how I change the background. Just click on it, come here and change. If you don't like any of this, you can go look for the one you like, copy it, just like the way I copied from here, and pasted here. Because of this round shape, this one doesn't have the round shape. So if you just like something somewhere and you don't want what you have, what you don't like what you're seeing here, let's say I want this, control C to copy it, but I want it to appear here. I can remove this one, delete it, and paste that here. And then I have that here. I can change this red and white color to this, and then I have it there. So guys, you've seen how to create highlights, Instagram highlights on Canva. I believe you've gotten value from this video. Please do not forget to like this video, give me a thumbs up in this video, drop your comments in the comment section. Also, do not forget to share it with your friends, and most importantly, please subscribe to my channel. This is DigiTrybe, a digital space for online entrepreneurs. What we do here is to help people who want to make money online to actually learn skills that will earn them money online. Because if you have a skill, if you learn a skill in the digital space, you'll be able to monetize those skills and make money for yourself. I will see you in my next video, guys. But before I go, let me just show you real quick how you can download your highlight covers. So let's say you're finished doing what you want to do, you're finished editing, putting everything in place in order for you to download it. All you need to do is click on share, then come down to download, hit this download button here, and then leave it at PNG. Just leave it at PNG. Then if it's all you want to download, just leave it at all pages, then hit the download. When you hit the download, it will download as a zip file. It will download as a zip file because it is more than one file. You can see it here. It has downloaded as what? As a zip file. If I go to show in folder, so guys, if I go to show in folder, you can see it here. It says yellow minimalist restaurant highlight cover. So that is the cover we just created, and we have downloaded it. You can now right click to extract the zip file. Right click on your mouse. Don't know why my system is slow. Extract to this, just click there, and then it extracts, and then you look for it. So let's look for it. Yellow. Okay, so this is it. So these are all the highlight covers. You can now use it to update your Instagram account. So I believe you've gotten value from this video, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to give me your thumbs up, and also do not forget to share this video with your friends and leave a valuable comment in the comment section. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.